Hey guys, Dave with First Place Auto Parts, and you know I love classic cars and trucks, but one of the things that I don't like about classic vehicles is when I have a rattle, a squeak, or I get water inside the cabin or in the trunk due to missing or rock hard weather strip. The good news is that at First Place Auto Parts, we have a complete offering of soft seal weather strip for every American-made muscle car and truck ever made. Really everything from the 60s all the way up to the early 2000s. At First Place Auto Parts, you will find exactly what you need to get your car back together if you just had it painted and to stop all those squeaks. What I have in front of me is a complete kit from Soft Seal. And if you just got your car back from the body shop and had it repainted, this is what you're going to need to put your car back together the right way. Look, we don't want to chip the paint. We certainly don't want any scratches. And it's important that you install fresh weather strip after you've had your car painted. It includes everything from the doors to the roof rail to the trunk to the window fuzzies, even the upper control arm, or the rubber flaps that go on that to keep the water out of your engine bay, and all the gaskets for all of your emblems and lenses. It even includes all the rubber bumpers for the door, the trunk, the hood, and even your glove box. And Soft Seal has included some really thoughtful instructions that show you how and where to put the weather strip on your car to take the guessing out of it. Soft Seal is so confident in their products, they offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. And what I like about the Soft Seal products, besides the fitment, which I know is 100% going to be right on, it always has been in the past when I've used it, is the density of the rubber. It's the correct density. As a matter of fact, this product is actually licensed by GM, which means it fits and functions exactly as it did on your car originally. So guys, when it comes time to sealing up your car, whether it's from noise or from the elements, please consider Soft Seal weather strips. And if you need your product, consider going to First Place Auto Parts. Super easy to use, always open 24 hours a day. Website at fpautoparts.com. There you will find all the Soft Seal products you need to put your car back on the road and so much more from a restoration and performance standpoint. First Place Auto Parts has exactly what you need. Guys, until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.